Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. There's a bit of a topsy-turvy climb for the indices in America, especially in the last few weeks. There was this potential bubble burst for the AI and tech industry. Now there's renewed hopes that they will start fighting back after Amazon is apparently investing $50 billion in American government AI issues. And also we're seeing a renewed hope of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut in a couple of weeks' time. So all these factors have driven the Nasdaq particularly high at almost 3% in yesterday's trading, the biggest mover of the indices. The S&P was up over 1% and the Dow just climbed short of 0.5% as well. So indices on the rise once again, but like I said, this could also come to a bit of a halt because prices have actually been very stagnant over the last few trading sessions. As you can see on the Nasdaq chart intraday, where we were trading at record highs and then we had this vast movement to the downside, their potential pickup, but unfortunately for a lot of bulls and buyers we're seeing that prices failing to progress any further before this vast sell-off below 24,000, and now we have picked up moving towards 25,000. So it is really a role reversal of how the AI industry is playing out, really controlling the stock market in yesterday's trading and for the last 6 to 12 months if you look at the charts going back to the beginning of the year. So we're just waiting to see if, you know, big firms like Nvidia and the big drivers in AI and tech, Amazon, Apple, just to name a few, we're just seeing now that prices are moving a little bit higher on renewed confidence, but that could also be dragged down as quick as it was moving higher. So as I said, the Nasdaq, the biggest mover of yesterday's trading, almost 3% to the upside, but we're just worried in case that does have a little bit of a pullback and prices do start to have more of get more pressured. The S&P as well, you know, pretty much similar story. From record peaks we had this choppy price action before breaking very vastly down. As you can see, these two massive bearish candles dragging prices lower before potentially moving back towards these previous peaks that we've seen before. So just flirting in the middle of the 6,000 range at the moment. 66 to 6,500 is what we're looking at. Obviously we are touching now 6,700, which is a relief for a lot of buyers, but with the RSI in both scenarios bouncing off the oversold area, it was obviously a natural climb that we were going to see a move higher. So let's see where we're going to go next. The Dow didn't really have too much of a positive move. Obviously only 30 companies make up this index, so wasn't really too pushed on, but it is moving in the right direction if it's going to try and get back to where it was before in its glory period. And we're just waiting to see now if prices are going to move any further higher. So let me know what you think. Are you trading indices? Are you trading stocks? Are you looking to see where the next big move is, where the next big technology boom is going to be? Let me know what you think and we'll bring this video to our YouTube and Telegram channel as usual. So until next time around, have a great trading day ahead and bye for now.